Hello everyone, this is Caroline. In this video, I want to show you how to do the simple linear regression by Excel. This is a really straightforward question. We can read the question first together. The first one is to calculate the regression equation, and the second one is to get the predicted y, and the third question is to get the residuals, and then the standardized residuals and the outliers, and the last one do the residual plot. So let's begin. Firstly, we need to get the regression equation. So we choose data analysis and then click the regression. Our input y is here, and our x is here. We need the labels, and we don't need the constant is 0, and the confidence level, we just keep the default value. And for the output range, I just want to choose one cell on the same page with the question. And we need the residuals, standardized residuals, and the residual plot. Here we go. So we get the summary output, and then we can see this part. So for our question A, the regression equation is y height equal to 11.25 plus 2.6167 x. Note that in this equation, we need to write the p height and we don't include the error term. For question B, the predicted y, which is here. And for question C, the residuals is here. For the next question, our standardized residuals is here. And for question E, we need to identify the possible outlier. We need to check if the absolute value of the standard residual is over 2.5. Because we don't have a very large data set, we can just see here. No point is over 2.5, so it's good. There is not the outliers. And we can see the question F, which is the residual plot. You can see we can automatically get the residual plot by the data analysis. Is the plot residuals against x. But the question asks about the residuals against the predicted value, so we need to plot another figure. Can choose these two columns and insert. Choose the scatter. Yeah, we can hide the chart element. Hide the axis, title. This is our residuals. And the horizontal axis is our predicted y. And we can also change the title. Residuals against the predicted y. So, and we can format the axis, change the bond, like, because the data points start from here, we change the minimum value to 10. And we don't change the maximum value. and then we just cite, and you can see there is no pattern, so we just can conclude that the variance is constant. So this is all my sharing today. Hope you have a good weekend. See you next time.